So my Achilles heel, the thing that I'm pants at, is plastering. From the water damage coming through the roof over the years. Bits of plaster are falling off the ceiling where the water's come through. And the walls are fairly damaged. So I have 3 plasterers in who are currently knocking away the ceiling to do some repairs. So anyway, this is where we are. This is where we are at lunch break. No change in here. These in my bedroom. A little bit of concrete, cement has been put in before they start plastering. The guest room. This was the room that I worried about the most. They've filled this as well. This, forgive the noise, will be the Airbnb on the top floor. So again, this is where the water was coming out through the ceiling, which has now been sealed. Day 2 of the builders. This is the second floor apartment when it's ready. So a fair bit to be done in here. certainly doing a good job. They're doing a lot more than I thought they were going to do. But it needs to be done. This is the kids, what will be the kids' room. I'm going to split it into 2 mezzanines in here, rather than split the room as originally planned. So we're going to probably put one floor just above that door there for half the room, and another on the other half with a little loungy area, because it's such a big room. A communal lounge for the 2 of them to use, so they can pop up to their bedrooms. And then use down here for their homework and whatnot. And this will be the guest room. It's probably the smallest room in the house. Still got 4 metre, 5 metre ceilings there. Got the finished plastering to do.